Here it is, the Canon 50mm lens in all its glory. Specifically, I got the Canon 50mm lens f1.8 because I consider myself a beginner photographer. So when you first open the box, it is in this very nice protected packaging. As you can see, the bubble wrap, and then it's also uh, sealed in another plastic wrapping, I guess to make it look like it's a nice packaging besides the bubble wrap. But anyways, as when you first open it, I was so excited. I just wanted to savor the moment. So it's taking a while for me to open it. So when you first get it out of the plastic, it's very small. You'll notice that it will fit in your hands quite nicely, and it is very, very, very light. And this one is the metallic surrounding, because the previous 50mm f1.8 had plastic. It was completely plastic, but this has partly metal. Wrong way, buddy. There you go. Um, sorry about that. Put that to the side, and I will be removing my current lens, which I got when I first got my camera, and it's the 18 to 55mm lens, and it is not that good, but I used it until I ordered this 50mm lens, and it took 2 days to get here from Amazon for $125. So it fits very nicely, of course, and it doesn't make the camera look very bulky either. So they both will complement your hand.